Sai Ram, dear children. Today I am teaching Water for All, Class 3, EVS, Part 6, Chapter 12. In Part 5, I have explained to you about the exercise session of the tick the correct option and also some of the points to remember. Okay. So, in this part, let us have the exercise session continuation. So, second main we have fill in the blanks. So, first question is water is also used to dash fields. So, what is the answer? Yes, that is irrigate. Water is also used to irrigate fields. Okay. And the second question is water is also used as a medium of dash. So, the correct answer is transport. Water is also used as a medium of transport. Okay. Third question, dash and dash also need water to survive. So, the answer is animals and plants also need water to survive, and also birds also need water to survive. Okay. So, next fourth question, hand pumps and tube wells contain dash water. So, the answer is underground water. Hand pumps and tube wells contain underground water. Okay. So, fifth question, a dash is a large natural stream of water. So, the answer is river. A river is a large natural stream of water. Okay. So, now the sixth question is water is supplied to all the houses in cities through dash. So, the answer is pipelines. Water is supplied to all the houses in cities through pipelines. Okay. So, seventh question is sea water contains large amount of dash. So, the answer is salt. Sea water contains large amount of salt. Okay. So, now we have the third main, right, true or false. Okay children, are you all ready to answer? So, the first question is water is a man-made resource. So, the answer is false. Why? Because water is a natural resource provided from the nature. So, it is not a man-made resource. Okay. So, the second question is date palm grows in areas where there is very little rainfall. Is this true or false? So, the answer is true. Yes, it is correct. Date palm grows in areas where there is very little rainfall also. It needs very less water. Okay. So, the third question is animals like rhinoceros spend most of the time lying in pools. Is this true? Yes, it is true. Okay. Animals like rhinoceros spend most of their time lying in pools. Okay. So, the fourth question is the water obtained from well is not fit for drinking. Is this true? No, it is false. The water obtained from well is fit for drinking. Even now most of the village will use well water to drink. Okay. So, the fifth question is most rivers begin in mountains or hills? What is the answer? True or false? Think. So the answer is true. Yes, most river begins in mountains or hills. Okay. So the sixth question is, river water is first cleaned and then stored in a big tank. What is the correct answer? Yes, that is true. Correct. River water is first cleaned and then stored in a big tank. Okay. So the summary, we read the questions, reading and some of the exercise, and we also known about date palm, sea water, river water. Okay. So the questions are, so I have given unscrambled letters here. So what you have to do, you have to arrange the letters in correct order to make a word. So all this hint is you can find out in this part. Okay. Okay children. So write down all these questions in your classwork and practice it. Okay. Thank you.